Have you ever wondered how self-driving cars could change our lives? Imagine a world where vehicles navigate the streets seamlessly without human intervention. This is the promise of autonomous vehicles, a concept that could revolutionize transportation as we know it. Think about the potential benefits. Increased safety as machines eliminate human error, reduced traffic thanks to optimized routing, and enhanced mobility for those unable to drive. So what are the latest breakthroughs propelling us towards this future? In the past few years, we've witnessed rapid advancements in autonomous vehicle technology. In the realm of self-driving cars, the journey has been nothing short of a roller coaster ride. Let's take a trip down memory lane and explore the timeline of these innovations. Our journey begins around the middle of the second decade of the 21st century, when the likes of Waymo and Tesla started making noise with their ambitious self-driving car projects. Waymo, a subsidiary of Alphabet, Google's parent company, was one of the pioneers in this field. They made significant strides in sensor and mapping technology, developing LiDAR systems that could create detailed three-dimensional maps of the environment. Around the same time, Tesla, under the visionary leadership of Elon Musk, was making waves with its autopilot system. This was a revolutionary step as it demonstrated the potential of machine learning algorithms in autonomous driving. Fast forward a couple of years and we see the emergence of other key players like Uber, Cruise, and Baidu. They too started developing their self-driving technology platforms, each contributing to the evolution of autonomous vehicles in their unique ways. One of the critical milestones in this journey was the regulatory approval for Waymo to operate fully driverless cars in California in late 2018. This was a significant leap as it marked the first time a company was allowed to operate autonomous vehicles without a human driver on public roads. Along the way, there were notable advancements in machine learning algorithms. Neural networks became more refined, and deep learning techniques were deployed to improve the decision-making capabilities of autonomous vehicles. The vehicles became better at recognizing traffic signs, pedestrians, and other vehicles, improving their ability to navigate complex urban environments. The past few years have also seen advancements in vehicle-to-vehicle communication, allowing self-driving cars to interact with each other and share information about traffic conditions and potential hazards. As we look back, it's clear that the journey of autonomous vehicles has been marked by continuous innovation and breakthroughs. From sensor technology to machine learning algorithms, from regulatory approvals to the development of vehicle-to-vehicle communication, every step has been a leap towards the future. These breakthroughs have brought us closer than ever to a world where cars drive themselves. Now that we've seen the timeline, let's dive deeper into these breakthroughs. The recent advancements in self-driving cars are nothing short of revolutionary. These breakthroughs are a result of improvements in a few key areas: sensors and mapping technology, machine learning algorithms, and regulatory approvals. Firstly, let's talk about sensors and mapping technology. The latest autonomous vehicles are equipped with enhanced sensors that can accurately detect objects and obstacles. LiDAR sensors, for instance, use pulses of light to create a detailed three-dimensional map of the surrounding environment. This has significantly improved the car's ability to navigate complex environments such as busy city streets and unpredictable weather conditions. Next, we come to machine learning algorithms. These are the brains behind the operation, so to speak. They analyze the data collected by the sensors and make decisions in real time. Over time, these algorithms learn and adapt, becoming more adept at predicting and responding to the actions of other road users. This has made self-driving cars safer and more reliable. Finally, we cannot overlook the importance of regulatory approvals. These are the green lights that allow self-driving cars to hit the roads. In the past few years, we've seen an increase in the number of cities and countries granting permissions for testing and deploying autonomous vehicles. This is a testament to the confidence in the technology's safety and potential to revolutionize our transport systems. However, it's important to note that these breakthroughs are just the tip of the iceberg. There's still a lot we don't know about how autonomous vehicles will interact with the world. And while the technology is advancing rapidly, there are still numerous challenges to overcome, including ethical dilemmas and the need for robust cybersecurity measures. But the journey to fully autonomous vehicles is far from over. The road ahead is filled with exciting possibilities and daunting challenges. But one thing is certain, the future of mobility is autonomous, and we're on the brink of this exciting new era. As we look to the future, it's clear that self-driving cars have the potential to revolutionize our lives. The road ahead isn't without its challenges, though. Technological advancements are needed to perfect this innovation. While regulatory bodies must pave the way for these autonomous vehicles, and perhaps most importantly, public acceptance is key. We must trust in the safety of these vehicles and embrace the change they bring. Stay tuned as we continue to journey towards a future where your car drives you.